You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio WXL30, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.400 MHz top Mount Lemmon. The current time is 7:37 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. Fire warning. Repeat, fire warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Tucson Fire Department and the Pima County Emergency Management. A dangerous wildfire is ongoing in the western part of Pima County. Multiple residents and emergency management has reported that this wildfire is spreading out of control due to very low humidity, as low as 12%, and wind gusts up to 50 to 60 miles per hour. Residents that are in Pima County and in the Tucson metro area should consider evacuating east of Interstate 10. Stay tuned to the station, radio and television outlets for further updates on this situation.